Alright, today we're going to be changing the gear oil in the rear differential in this Lexus RX300. It's a 2002 Lexus RX300 and we need to get under the vehicle here. Here is the differential, and you probably can already see that this is a drain plug at the bottom, and there on the right side, if you look from the back, that's your fill plug. And while I'm here, I'm gonna look at the boots. Nothing's leaking, so everything's good. Everything looks okay. Just a bit of salt from the road. So yeah, as you can see, it's kind of a hex key, Allen key you need to use. And I have a whole set of them. I don't remember which it is. Also, I'm gonna be using my trusted syringe to put the gear oil inside. I have my tub, and this is the gear oil that you need to use. 75W90 synthetic gear oil. That's what you need. And of course, before you do this, if it's cold outside, put this in a bucket of hot water, warm it up, because you'll have a big trouble putting it in through this hose and into the differential if it's cold, because it wouldn't flow. It will be like honey. Another tip here, don't start with the drain plug, start with the fill plug, because if you can't undo the fill plug, you don't want to drain all your gear oil and be stuck with an empty differential. Okay, to unscrew the fill hole, I used this long extension and a breaker bar to undo it, because you don't have much space there to use the breaker bar. But it's now undone. I can unscrew it, and then it's time to unscrew the drain plug. I actually have this gear oil in a bucket of hot water, and it's just taking a little bath. Oh, this is now so much more liquid than it was. As you can see, most of it has drained out already. So we'll put the drain plug back in. Oh, come on. Finally. Okay, I'm just gonna clean the So here's how the setup looks like. This is my syringe. You see how nice and transparent it is, kind of yellowish, but definitely not black as this one. And there's a hose just running into the hole, and you have to squeeze it out. Very simple. If you preheat the oil so it's liquid like this, it's a piece of cake. By the way, I torqued this drain plug to 36 feet-pound. That's what I found on the internet. And for the drain plug and the fill plug is also 36 feet-pound. So I'm just gonna fill it until it flows out of the top hole, and that's it. Okay, it started to flow out like that out of the fill hole. It means that it's full. Now I just close it, torque it to spec, 36 feet-pound, and that's it. It's done. Easy job. I put 3 huge syringes that I have, each 250 milliliters, roughly 3, and then I think a little bit, and that's it. That's all it takes. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've seen something useful. Please do like and subscribe. It helps my channel a lot. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.